I absolutely loved it.
I have had an amazing time. I feel like every year Castle Howard just does it bigger and better than ever.
It's been an amazing time. Coming to this event every year is the start of Christmas for me.
I absolutely loved it. It was so good.
The whole day is an experience. I always say it every year. Castle Howard kicks off Christmas.
I love Wicked, I love The Wizard of Oz, and being able to walk around it and follow the story and learn more about the original story as well, it's so special.
It was just absolutely stunning. Like every room is like so storytelling.
If you've never been to the Christmas displays at Castle Howard, you're gonna gasp every time you enter a room. It is so overwhelmingly beautiful and grand that you'll be hooked and you'll be coming every year.
Can't wait to like tell everyone about this.
I've definitely come away with a Christmassy feeling.
You have to be able to see it for yourself.
Surprising,
Incredible,
Nostalgic
Boundary pushing, immersive,
and wicked.
Come here now.